Ipinagmalaki ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang Pilipinas bilang isa sa mga bansang pinakamabilis lumago ang ekonomiya sa buong mundo. Sa harap niyan, hinikayat po ng Pangulo ang mga foreign investors na mamuhunan sa bansa at maging bahagi, partikular na ng Build Better More program ng pamahalaan. Si Alan Francisco sa detalye.
Ang Pilipinas ay sentro ng pag-unlad at pagsulong ng mga negosyo. Ito ang sinabi ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa Indo-Pacific Business Forum sa Taguig City. Kaya naman, hinikayat niya ang mga foreign investor na mamuhunan sa bansa, partikular sa pagiging bahagi ng Build Better More program ng pamahalaan. Aabot sa higit 180 infrastructure priority projects na nagkakahalaga ng halos 10 trilyong piso ang tinututukan ngayon ng gobyerno.
With the Public-Private Partnership Code, we have accelerated the delivery of critical projects, fostering economic growth and enhancing the quality of life for all Filipinos. This landmark legislation makes collaboration between the government and the private sector even more efficient.
Isinusulong din ng Pilipinas ang pagiging leader sa usapin ng smart and sustainable transportation sa Indo-Pacific region. Nabanggit din ng Pangulo ang pagkakatatag ng Maharlika Investment Fund na aniyay patunay ng commitment ng bansa bilang isang magandang investment place.
As the Philippines occupies a strategic position in the Indo-Pacific, we are leveraging our strategic geopolitical location, economic engagements, and participation in regional agreements. With this region accounting for over 1/3 of global economic activity, this presents immense opportunities for our nation. We are proud to be a major contributor, with our GDP ranking amongst the fastest growing in the region, coupled with our burgeoning population and significant trading outputs. I am proud to share that our economic achievements have been outstanding.
Ilan pa sa isinusulong ng Pilipinas para sa strategic partnerships ay ang Free Trade Agreement.
These agreements underscore our commitment to fostering economic growth and international cooperation. With RCEP, investors can access other markets from RCEP countries by manufacturing and exporting their products from the Philippines.
Nariyan din ang iba pang game-changing reforms sa usapin ng mga batas na makatutulong sa pagsuporta sa mga foreign investment.
Through these reforms, we assure you that the Philippine government is fully committed to supporting and facilitating your business endeavors in our country. We extend our hand in partnership and stand ready to provide any assistance that you may require as you navigate the business landscape of the Philippines.
Samantala, binanggit din ng Pangulo ang pagkasaayos ng Luzon Economic Corridor, pagpapalakas sa renewable energy sector at ang tuloy-tuloy na digitalization initiatives. Nakasuporta rin aniya ang gobyerno sa micro, small, and medium enterprises para maisulong ang sustainable business. Sabi naman ni Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Frederick Go, ang pangunguna ng Pilipinas bilang isa sa fastest growing economies sa Indo-Pacific region ay nangyari sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Pangulong Marcos.
It definitely links into the Marcos administration's efforts to create an enabling environment of infrastructure for businesses to thrive.
We're doing everything that's needed to make the conditions attractive to foreign investment.
Alan Francisco para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.